Come on, man. Hey, man.
Oh, hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, what's up, man? How you doing?
Whoa. Where's the dog?
He's not here this time, man.
Well, what's the point of you being here?
Yeah.
Back for more, man.
Yeah, man, but look, I gotta get out of here pretty quick, okay?
Hey, man, you can't rush art, bro. You can't do that.
Yeah.
So actually, you know what? I got some new stuff for you, bro. It's in the room, though. All right?
Okay,
all right,
dude.
cool.
Yeah, bro. Cool, man. Thank you.
Nice.
How you doing, bro?
Hey, what's your name again?
Garrett.
Oh yeah, the dog dude. Oh yeah.
Yeah, dog dude. Ow! Hey, ow!
Shit!
What the hell did you do?
What the hell did you do? That's the dude that robbed me! That's the dude that robbed me! No, man!
Dude, come on. Give me, come on. Alright, dude, go ahead,
Here, Garrett, here's some water.
I sat next to him through the entire recovery, step by step. I was with him.
More than that.
We talked about this, Garrett.
Ma, I am 180 pounds. I need at least a full one.
Let's see how you do with this first, and you know why. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I never left his side. And so he rewarded me with my show. He thought of himself first, but I was always a close second.